5 Social Security changes for workers and retirees for 2025. Hi, I'm Dave Lopez.
And I'm Chase Lopez, and this is another episode of Retire Your Way with ILG Financial, where we talk all things retirement planning. Okay, Dave, so before we jump in, just want to let everyone know, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button down below. That way you get alerted for any future videos that we post.
Okay, let's jump right into it. Change number 1 for 2025 is we are getting a cost of living adjustment. It's 2.5% for 2025, so your checks will be going up in January. If you're watching this after January, they should already be up.
Absolutely. Yep. So number 2, we're doing 5 today. Number 2 is for 2025, there's going to be higher Social Security work requirements for workers. So previously, before 2025, for every $1,730 that you earned a Social Security work credit. That's going up in 2025 to $1,810. Now, that's not really a big deal. Most part-time workers for a full year end up making $7,240. So that would fit well underneath that requirement to get those credits.
Yep. Number 3.
Yep.
Higher ceiling on Social Security payroll taxes. So for any of you that are still working, you aren't charged Social Security necessarily on all of your earnings. There's a limit, only up to a certain amount, and that amount has been increased. Let's take a look at the graph. You can see that for 2024, the limit was $168,600. So any money you earned over $168,600, you didn't have to pay Social Security tax on. That's been raised to $176,100. So you can earn a little bit. You have to pay taxes on a little bit more of your earnings.
Exactly. Yep. All right. So that was number 3.
Yep.
Number 4 is higher earning test limits for Social Security. Now, this is specific to folks that turn on Social Security prior to full retirement age. If you turn on Social Security prior to your full retirement age and you make more than a certain amount, then your Social Security starts to get withheld a little bit.
Yeah.
So those figures that you can see on the screen here are for in 2024. For every $2 that you earned above $22,320, they withheld $1 of your Social Security check. And again, this is if you turned it on prior to full retirement age. And then, so for 2025, that amount went up to $23,400. You can make a little bit more if you turn on Social Security prior to that full retirement age. Now, there's one other little quirk in there, and that's in the year that you turn your full retirement age. So we're assuming that you turned on Social Security prior to that full retirement age. In the year that you turn that full retirement age, that limit goes up to, for 2025, $62,100. And they reduce for every $3 above that amount, they withhold $1 of your Social Security check.
Yeah, and you get the benefit that the day you turn 65, that month, from then on, it's unlimited.
Exactly.
So
exactly.
That's nice.
Yep. So that's number 4.
Yeah. And number 5, a higher full retirement age for when you get to qualify for, again, FRA is full retirement age. So for those born in 1959, your full retirement age is 66 and 10 months. For those born 1960 and later, it's 67. And from then on, right now, under the current rules, anyone born after 1960, your full retirement age is 67. That's the 5.
Yeah, so that's 5 changes for 2025. There are changes to Social Security every year. So this isn't necessarily cause for alarm or anything like that. We recommend you get with your financial professional to see how these specific rules apply to you and how new rules will apply to you in the future. Go ahead and, again, hit that like and subscribe button for to get alerted for any of our new videos. We'll talk to you next time.